Turn your ideas into conversation with this simple step to write a perfect thread. But make sure to save this video for future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to write thread in Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap on the Threads app icon on your device to open the app. Make sure your app is up to date for the best feature. Once you are in the app, look for the plus button at the bottom of the screen. This is where you start writing your thread. Tap it to open the post creation page. In the text box that appears, begin by writing your first message of the thread. This could be a question, statement, or the idea you want to share. You can make your thread more engaging by adding medias like images, GIFs, or videos. Once you are happy with the thread, tap the post button to post your first message. After publishing, people can reply to any part of your thread. Stay engaged by replying to comments, answering questions, and interacting with others. So this is how to write threads in Threads app. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.